Hi, and this is Muhammad Arifuddin from Mechanical Department. Uh, Let us continue our discussions. This is my second part about theory of machines, in which we are discussing about the machines and mechanisms, as well as we are comparing the machine with the structure here. As per the definition, a machine is a mechanism, or it is a group of mechanisms used to perform the useful work. We have discussed this in our earlier lecture already. Similarly, a structure is an assemblage of number of resistant bodies having no relative motion between them. So, as per definition, a machine is a mechanism or combination of mechanisms used to perform useful work, but the structure is an assemblage of number of resistant bodies having no relative motion between them. Based on the work, machine has been modified or transmit energy to do some kind of work. But the structure modifies and transmits force only. When we are considering the relative motion, the machine exists between its members, but the structure not exists between its members. Based on the energy, the machine transmits useful energy, but the structure is not transmitting any energy. If we are considering some examples about the machine, steam engine, shaper, lathe machine, etc. But for structure, it is roof truss, railway bridges, machine frame, etc. are known as the structures. Let us discuss about Grashof law. It has two classes. The class 1 is mentioning about a linkage in which the sum of the length of the longest and the shortest links are less than the sum of other two links, which is known as class 1. It is for 4-bar linkages. In 4-bar, there are 4 links in which 2 links are almost similar and other 2 links are short and long. That's why this class 1 deals with the linkage in which the sum of the length of the longest and the shortest links are less than the sum of the other 2 links. The mechanism thus obtained is known as crank-crank mechanism, or double crank mechanism, or drag crank mechanism, or rotary mechanism. We can say whichever we want to. Similarly, about the class 2 mechanism, as per Grashof's law, when the sum of the length of the largest and the shortest links are more than the sum of the length of other 2 links, the linkage is known as class 2. This is also 4-bar linkage. The mechanism thus obtained is known as rocker-rocker mechanism or double rocker mechanism. There are some applications of the mechanisms. Let us discuss about the application of crank and slatted lever quick return motion mechanism. Shaping machines and cutting machines, we are seeing those two machines in our day-to-day life. Similarly, cutting flat surfaces out of metal stuff. The components of acceleration are normal component as well as the tangential component. This is for drawing the acceleration diagram. The pantograph is one of the inversion of a mechanism. It is an inversion of mechanism. A pantograph is a mechanical linkage which is connected in a manner based on parallelograms so that the movement of one pen in tracing an image produces identical movements in the second pen. If a line drawing is traced by the first point, an identical, enlarged or miniaturized copy will be drawn by a pen fixed to the other. Thus, the pantograph works. Let us conclude here today and we'll continue in our next video.